is Mars, and today we are making Monay. Now, this bread is slightly denser, sweeter, and milkier than pandesal or the regular white bread. I haven't had this for years. I honestly can't remember when is the last time I had it. So, I'm excited to work on this thing. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen.
This bread is going to be a bit denser than a regular bread, but it tastes so good and perfect for coffee. As a lot of recipes do, we are gonna start with a bowl. That is not a bowl, what the? Well, fine. Let's start off with a gigantic mug with some warm water in it. We're gonna add in a bit of sugar and dry yeast. I'm using instant dry yeast, but active dry yeast works well in this method. Mix it up until everything is combined. Let's set it aside for now. Now we're moving on to the bowl. Okay, let's add flour, some more sugar, a bit of salt, and powdered milk. Mix it up like so and watch a bit of YouTube so you won't get bored doing menial tasks. Oh wait, you're already watching this. Good job! Well, enough jokes. I have a smaller bowl here with milk and butter that I heated up in the microwave. And now, we're gonna add an egg. Whisk them until everything is incorporated. The yeast mixture is nice and bubbly, so we're gonna add it into the dry mixture, followed by a bit of the egg, butter, milk mixture. I won't add all of the liquid because it's impossible to take them away if you add too many. Just get a feel of whether or not you need to add more liquid in. Keep doing this until a dough is formed. I've laid down my kneading mat and added a bit of flour so the dough won't stick in. Now my favorite part. It's time to knead it. Yeah! So I'm gonna knead this for around 20 minutes. Let's skip to that. Kneading done, and we're gonna brush some oil into the bowl so the dough won't stick, and put the dough and proof it. You know the routine. Proofing done, and it's time to shape these. I'm dividing the dough into two and rolling them into gigantic sausages. Then, divide these into smaller giant sausages and roll them into a ball. I'm trying my best to roll them properly because last time I made a bread, it was not quite round. So I'm trying my best here. Now I'm gonna put them into a tray lined with baking paper and let it proof some more. Dough proof, and before we bake them, we are going to add some egg wash so the bread looks nice and shiny when it cooks. Shiny bread is great. Baking, 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 baking. Ding! And it's done! Yeah! I have to say it looks really good given the fact that it was made by an absolute noob like me. And now here's what I have to say in this.
Okay, I kind forgot one crucial step into making this bread. And no, I didn't forget any ingredients. It's just I forgot to score the bread. So it kinda just looked like a round bun rather than the usual look of the Monay. This is what it is supposed to look like, and this is what I end up with. So yeah, it's kinda unfortunate that I forgot, but it doesn't matter. It still tastes really good. It's really milky. Oh man, it works so good with coffee, trust me. So I hope you give it a try. And I just tried it myself. And I'm a noob, so I think people can do it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!